Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites: the proxy host, port, and either an auth token or certificate. Install a client that supports SOCKS 5 or HTTP proxying, such as curl or a Lightning-aware client. Once done, place the cert or token in a secure folder and set file permissions. This prevents accidental leaks. Now edit the client config to point at host, port, and enable TLS if offered. This protects channel metadata. Make sure to open the specific port in your firewall and restrict inbound addresses. You now configure routing rules so your Lightning node uses the proxy for outbound connections and RPC calls. Edit Lightning config to add proxy equals host, port or SOCKS 5, //host, port, and ensure RPC bindings route through that interface. Then test with Lightning CLI or curl to an external endpoint. Watch for successful TLS handshakes and DNS resolution. If you see delays, increase connection timeouts and retry. Once you have a clean test, monitor connection counts and route success rates to confirm stable behavior. You finish by saving all configurations and restarting your node and proxy client so settings take effect. Enable persistent logging to capture failures and performance metrics. This helps you spot dropped channels or rate limits. Make sure persistent connections are used to reduce handshake overhead. If something goes wrong, first check authentication and TLS certificate validity, then verify firewall and NAT mappings. As a single key troubleshooting tip, if connections fail, test a direct curl to the proxy to isolate whether the proxy itself or your node configuration is at fault.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.